Hi everyone, welcome back to the Yarn Symphony channel. In this video we want to make this crochet motif bag together, and in this tutorial I'm not going to tell you about how to crochet motif. If you want to see it, you can see it up there. It's a total tutorial in there. Okay, first you gotta arrange these motifs next to each other, and you gotta crochet these red lines. I'm gonna tell you how to crochet them right here. Okay, first insert the hook and get your yarn. Then you need to chain. And just connect them like this. Insert your hook inside the chain and do a slip stitch. Look at that carefully. Slip stitch. Your hook needs to be top of the yarn. See, it's always top of the yarn, okay? It seems a little bit hard, but if you do it, it's gonna be easy. See? Okay, now let's see it. It gotta be like that. Connect them all together like this. Just fold it, and you need a little bit more crocheting in here and here. Fold these two parts, and this side fold and crochet all the red lines and insert your hook in here. Okay, we want to crochet the top and around of the bag, so when you connect your yarn and your hook, you need to do single crochet. Just do single crochet all around the bag. See, on the top. And connect them like this. It's super easy. Okay, I finished it. It's all around it. Now we want to crochet the row 2. In this row, we want to crochet the straps. So when you get here, exactly here, we need to stop and make the straps. Let me tell you again, here, okay? So I'm here, I want to do 70 chains. Alright. And now I want to connect to this part with a single crochet. See? A single crochet. Keep doing this, keep doing the single crochet until you get to here and make the other strap. Okay, I'm here and I want to do 70 chains. Alright, and connect it with single crochet. And doing the single crochet until I get here. Okay, this is gonna be the third row. In this row, we wanna make, we're gonna work on the straps. So, in this chain, we're going to do some single crochets until the end. Okay, I did it. Now the other strap, and we want to make it thicker, okay? Okay, now I made it. Now we have 4 rows on the top, and connect your hook here, insert it, connect the yarn, chain 1, and do single crochet inside. Say we need 4 rows in here too. So we work in here. We have 2 rows now, and working on the strap. Just a single crochet. Okay, I finished this row. Okay. And now we need 2 more. Okay, 2 more rows inside of here, and the strap, of course. So I've done that. Both sides have 4 rows. We're gonna work on this side now. Inside of this kind of circle in here. So single crochet inside of it. Here is my bag. It's totally ready. And thank you for watching the video. Subscribe for more.